स्वागतं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य मकरसङ्क्रमण शुभतिथौ सर्वेषां शुभाशयान् व्याहरन् स्वागतीकरोमि। अद्य अस्माभिः नवमः पाठः अध्येतव्यः। तस्य प्रारम्भं तु अद्य कुर्मः। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि यथा पूर्वम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओं तत्सत्। तो यथा प्रायः अत्र सर्वैः ज्ञातविषयः एव, सामान्यतया अद्य सङ्क्रमणम् इति किमर्थम् उच्यते? सूर्यदेवः अथवा मित्रः इति यत् वदामः सूचयामः, सः अस्मिन् तिथौ न तु साक्षात् इदानीन्तनकाले तु किञ्चित् व्यत्यासः अभवत्। तत्र दशम्बरमासे एव भवति तत् साक्षात्। प्रायः कालक्रमेण अस्माकं तिथिव्यवस्थानां परिवर्तनं न क्रियते इति अत्र इदानीं दोषाः स्युः। पुरातनकाले तु दृष्ट्वा तदा तदा सम्यक् कुर्वन्ति स्म। तत् सम्प्रदायं नष्टम्, अस्माकं हिन्दुजनानां सम्प्रदायं तत् नष्टम् इति इदानीं अस्मिन् मासे वयं कुर्मः, चिन्ता मास्तु। तु किं भवति, सूर्यः दक्षिणपथात् इदानीं पुनः उत्तरपथं प्राप्नोति इति। उत्तरपथम् इति किं? प्रतिदिनं यदा वयं मध्याह्ने साक्षात् 12 इति चिन्तयामः, कुत्र अस्ति सूर्यः इति यदि पश्यामः, सः दक्षिणपार्श्वे वसति इदानीन्तनकाले। तु आगामि दिनेषु सः किञ्चित् प्रतिदिनम् उत्तरदिश्यां प्रति गच्छति इति ज्ञायते. We notice it most in the angle of the shadows in our house. Peculiar places that never received a spot of sun, you will suddenly notice, oh, my cabinet with the lovely Ganesha sitting there is lit today, like that. So using these peculiar angles, many temples were constructed actually to shoot a light into the Garbhagृहम् and such places. So many astronomical positional events were used in our Vastu also. So that is nice. Astu, navamah पाठः. अद्यतन एकपङ्क्ति उक्तिः एवमस्ति, अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य प्रसादोऽपि भयङ्करः। अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य प्रसादोऽपि भयङ्करः। अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य प्रसादः अपि भयङ्करः। प्रसादः अपि इत्यत्र उत्व गुण पूर्वरूपसन्धयः सन्ति तत्र. So even a favor conferred on you by a fickle-minded person, avyavastita chittaha tasya. कः अव्यवस्थित चित्तः? यस्य चित्तम् अव्यवस्थितम् अस्ति सः अव्यवस्थित चित्तः. So it's a बहुव्रीहि समास. We say it is about another whose mind is not stable. Fickle-minded person can be dangerous. Bhayankaraha. Prasadaha. Normally we, especially here in the south, think this means the banana preparations given in the temples. No, this original meaning of this is prasannata yat vayam janimah tad bhavah prasadah iti. तो अनुरोधः, अनुवर्तनं, प्रसन्नता इत्यादि अर्थाः भवन्ति प्रसादः इत्यत्र. Okay, favor, kindness, condensation, this kind of thing. I'm not too sure of condensation, but that's what I picked from the dictionary. Today, condensation means an inferior look upon another by one who thinks he is superior. So it's not exactly fitting this translation. Okay, in this context at least. So avyavastitha chittasya janasya prasadah api bhayankarah bhavati. यस्य चित्तम अथवा मनः अव्यवस्थितम् अस्ति सः अव्यवस्थितचित्तः तस्य अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य बहुव्रीहिः इति। अत्र मया किञ्चित् अन्वेषणं कृत्वा सम्पूर्णस्य सुभाषितस्य स्थापनं कृतमस्ति यतः सूक्तिः स्वीकृतम् अस्ति। तु क्षणे रुष्टाः क्षणे तुष्टाः रुष्टे तुष्टे क्षणे क्षणे अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य प्रसादोऽपि भयङ्करः. Beautiful first line, you see this. Kshane rushtaha, kshane tushtaha, rushte tushte kshane kshane. Kim etat kshane rushtaha. In a moment or momentarily, in a very short time, saptami. Rushtaha, kruddaha. Ye krodha bhavam anubhavanti. Kshaneva tushtaha api bhavanti. And within moments become shantas. As if there was no kruddha bhava. Kshane tushtaha, shantaha, prasaditaha. तो एवं भवन्ति केचन क्षणे एव रुष्टाः भवन्ति क्षणे एव तुष्टाः अपि भवन्ति। एतेषां रुष्टे तुष्टे क्षणे क्षणे सति सप्तमी भावः अत्र सति सप्तमी भावः सति सप्तमी भावस्य विषये अस्मिन् अध्याये विवरणमस्ति पठामः तत्र किं रुष्टे तुष्टे क्षणे क्षणे in a moment upon being angry and in a moment upon being calm. Okay, so switching between anger and absence of anger, okay, or a feeling of content. Okay, so upon such a behavior, okay, avyavastita chittasya. Okay, so such a person with a indeterminate mindset, prasadaha api bhayankaraha, even when he is in the tushta bhava, even when he is smiling, even that is dangerous. What a beautiful extract of Subhashita from the Kavi. The deep indeed is the psychological, psychoanalytical ability of our ancients to put down these things. Okay. So don't trust even the good deed of a fickle-minded person, even the good kind kripa kataksha of a fickle-minded person. Beware of it. Beware of it. So they are alerting you. Okay, this is a Gomukha Vyagra like that. Okay. So kshane rushtaha kshane tushtaha rushte tushte kshane kshane avyavastita chittasya prasadopi bhayankarah. Okay, I hope this is understood. Any questions? Okay. So we will come to Sati Saptami or Sat Saptami. Both types of nomenclature is present. Sati Saptami, Sat Saptami, like that. Okay. In the earlier lessons, you learned the use of Shatru and Shanach affixes in detail. Now you will learn one more usage of these participles. So why Samskrita Bharati has taken upon Sati Saptami at this moment to teach us? Because typically this Sati Saptami accompanies a Shatru Shanach prayoga of a auxiliary Kriya Pada. Okay. So upon somebody doing something, something else ensues. So typically use of Shatrantas happens a lot with Sati Saptami, what you can call as clausal portion of the sentence conditioned upon some action. Okay. That's why they are kind of taught one behind the other in a very appropriate manner. Okay. When is Ravi coming home? This question can either be answered with he is coming home in the evening or afternoon, as in the absolute sense, right? He is coming at 9 o'clock. Okay. So in the first part of the in the first one, the part of the day is indicated, while in the latter the time of his arrival is mentioned. There is a third way of answering such questions. See, in both these cases there was some very clear reference: evening, afternoon, 9 o'clock, some kind of a time location. Okay, navavadane, sayankale, madhyane, like this, or madhyane, like this it comes. Okay, pratah kale, all are also in saptami, but they are straightforward saptami, say straightforward temporal location. But when it is not straightforward like that, when there is certain dynamism with respect to an action, that is when you use sati saptami. So there is a third way of answering such questions, that is by indicating the time through another kriya. Okay, conditioned upon another action. Okay, Ravi is coming when his father returns from office. See, the condition being another action. Okay, here one kriya suggests another. More than suggests, you can say gates. We say the word gates another. That means it opens the gate for another action. Okay, this sentence when expressed in Sanskrit will be pitari agacchati sati putraha ravihi pratyagacchati. Pitari, in the father. I mean, because of association, Visheshana Visheshya, it also takes Saptami. The whole series of Saptamis will be there. Pitari agacchati sati. Okay, upon the father coming, okay, putraha Ravi pratyagachati, the son Ravi returns. Okay, prati agachati, comes towards, like that, returns. In this lesson, you will be introduced to this usage of Saptami Vibhakti, which is known as Sat Saptami or Sati Saptami Prayoga, locative absolute. You see carefully, Sanskrit Bharati, when they use Sati Saptami word, they have used an Avasana. Okay, so when we take it as a Samasta, we have to go Sat Saptami, but that's okay. Don't worry. We don't worry too much about this Avasana. If you end up putting it together, that's not, because Avasana was never there in the written script in the olden times. Locative absolute. Now, I don't know how we will remember these English titles, but that's okay. We know about locative. I don't know much about absolute. Actually, it is non-absolute. To my mind, absolute is 9 o'clock, evening, afternoon. So it should be titled locative relative. Their grammatical nomenclature is not good. Okay, read the following sentences carefully. शिक्षके आगच्छति सति छात्राः उत्थितवन्तः. शिक्षके आगच्छति सति छात्राः उत्थितवन्तः. This sati stuff has been put in brackets. So they are trying to teach you that in the beginning it's okay to use it to explicitly highlight the accent, the sati saptami. Okay, what is sati here? As dhatoh saptami ekavachana sati iti. Okay, अस्ति सारी अस् धातोः शत्रन्त सप्तमी. ओके, सन् इति यदस्ति, तो तस्य सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनरूपं सति इति पुल्लिङ्गे. ओके, अस्य स्त्रीलिङ्गे सत्सु इति, सारी बहुवचने सत्सु इति, स्त्रीलिङ्गे सत्याम् इति, पुनः बहुवचने सतीषु इति अपि अस्माभिः उपयोगं कर्तव्यं. तत्र बहुवचने वा, स्त्रीलिङ्गे वा, पुल्लिङ्गे वा, नपुंसके वा इति चिन्तनीयं. न तु तत् क्रियापदं, न तु तत् तिङन्तं, सुबन्तम् इति कृत्वा तस्य विभक्तिवचनविषये, विभक्तिवचनलिङ्गविषये अस्माभिः बहु प्रज्ञा स्थापितव्या. अस्तु, शिक्षके आगच्छति छात्राः उत्थितवन्तः. There is no need for sati. So upon the teacher coming, the students stood up. Okay. प्रदीपे स्नानं कुर्वति सति जलागमनं स्थगितम्. Oh, poor chap. प्रदीपे स्नानं कुर्वति सति, upon Pradeep doing his bathing, Jalagamanam sthagitam. The arrival of water was stopped. Okay. I am doing Butler English. Please remember. Okay. You can straighten it up, but I am coming to the literal word by word implications. So, any question? Somebody was trying to say something? No. I'll mute everyone. हाँ. पुत्रेषु आगच्छत्सु सत्सु माता सन्तुष्टा. माताः सर्वे सन्तुष्टाः भवन्ति. तथा पुत्र्याः विषये किम् इति न लिखितमस्ति. पुत्रेषु इति लिखितमस्ति. तत्र पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति इति पुत्र्याः पुत्र्यासु इति प्रायः. नारीषु पुत्रीषु प्रायः पुत्रपुत्रीषु इति स्वीकुर्मः. तत्र पुत्रेषु आगच्छत्सु सत्सु माता सन्तुष्टा. Okay. By the children, very nicely translated, by the children's arrival, okay, upon conditioned upon their arrival, mother is happy, became a happy person. Kta pratyaya, santushta abhavat asti. You can put it to bhutakala, pratamana using active kriya pada as you wish. Janeshu kolahalam kurvatsu satsu choraha palahitavan. Upon the people doing a lot of noise, kolahala, okay, upon the people doing lot of noise, the robber ran away, escaped due to non-coordinated kolahala. Kapishu pashyatsu satsu Hanuman samudra langanam kritavan. Okay, so here, upon is not a good translation. He says even as is a better English there. Even as the monkeys were looking, okay, Hanuman jumped across the ocean. While the monkeys watched, Hanuman crossed the ocean. Actually, even as accents the Sati Saptami even better. Okay. Sitayam chintayantyam satyam Ramadutaha agataha. So, upon Sita worrying, or even as Sita was worrying, the messenger of Rama, of course our Hanuman, messenger of Rama, he came. Vanarishu phalam chorayantishu satishu pitruvyah prakoshtam pravishtavan. Upon the lady monkeys stealing the fruit, or even as the lady monkeys were stealing the fruit, the uncle, okay, came into the room. I don't know the context of this, but it's interesting. May happen in some temple towns always.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Please, of course, never said no.
Is it this is Sati or Sati? It is you are saying it is a Sati Saptami. It is always in Saptami. Then why it is given Satsu, Satishu, Santyam?
They're all Sati Saptami. They're all Saptami vachana of Shatrantas and so on. Sun, as dhatus, Shatranta rupas, Saptami prayogas.
Okay, then it is a Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsalinga. All there are. It is declinable.
Correct.
Just like
Actually, that's exactly what I was trying to explain earlier about that.
Okay.
So it can be declined in all those lingas. Yes.
Okay. Can you give it, sir, in the WhatsApp our group?
I have
So that we can write it down?
I have listed that. It will come if you are little patient. Somewhere I think I'll open. If I have not, I will open it up and make a table and give you guys.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So narishu jalpantishu satishu andhakarah prasrutah क्षम्यताम्. So narishu jalpantishu, I think there is a missing there. Salpantisha, na salpantishu satishu. So shatva is there everywhere. So narishu jalpantishu satishu. even as or conditioned upon the ladies chit-chatting. Jalpana means some kind of a light banter. Banter is the correct word in English for that. Okay. Andakaraha prasrutaha. The darkness spread, encompassed. गायिकासु गायन्तीषु सतीषु श्रोतारः सन्तोषम् अनुभूतवन्तः. गायिकासु गायन्तीषु सतीषु, upon the lady singers singing, even as the lady singers were singing, while the lady singers were singing, all these English versions can be taken there. Shrotarah santosham anubhutavantah. The listeners, Shrotarah. Okay, the listeners, Shrotru Shabda. So, Santosham Anubhutavantah. Happiness they experienced. Okay. शबर्यां ध्यायन्त्यां सत्यां. शबरी इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे एकवचनं, शबर्याम् इति सप्तमी प्रयोगः. शबर्यां ध्यायन्त्यां सत्यां. शबरी ध्यायति इति शत्रन्तरूपं प्रथमा एकवचने, तु सप्तम्यां शबर्यां ध्यायन्त्याम् इति रूपं तस्य सत्याम् इत्यपि स्थापितुं शक्नुमः. सत् अस् धातोः स्त्रीलिङ्गे शत्रन्त सप्तमी एकवचन रूपं तत् सत्याम् इति. रामः प्रत्यक्षः जातः. So even as Shabari was praying, even as she was carrying out her prayer, Rama appeared. Okay, he invisible he became. That is the literal translation. Visible he became. Prati akshaha, see the construction in front of the eye. Sarveshu shayaneshu satsu choraha griham pravishtavan. So this is a precursor to Palayitavan. Okay, Sarveshu shayaneshu satsu, upon everybody sleeping, choraha griham pravishtavan, thus robber entered the house. Okay. Shayanah shayaneshu. Okay. सर्व शब्दस्य सप्तमी बहुवचने सर्वेषु इति. सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे. It slightly differs from Rama Shabda. Sarva Shabda, it's a Sarvanama Shabda. It is one of the first Sarvanama Shabdas that are learned. Rama Shabda, it's also Akaranta Shabda, but because it's a Sarvanama Shabda, it has certain additional declension variations on top of Rama Shabda. So in 5 places it differs from Rama Shabda. So it's an important Shabda to practice, because even Kaha Kauke, we may not know Sarvaha Sarvau Sarve, but you will always know Kaha Kauke Kam Kaukan. It is one of the very important declensions, right? Kaha is actually Kim Shabdasya Pullinga Rupa. So that also declines like a Sarvanama Shabda, and it will be an easier prototype to track for Sarva Shabda also. Kim Shabda it is called. Kaha is called Kim Shabda. Okay. Kim Pratipadika. Kaha in Pullinga, Ka in Strilinga, Kim in Napumsakalinga, Ekavachana Prathama Vibhakti. Astu. Harau chestamane sati shishuhu adaha apatat. Harau chestamane sati shishuhu adaha apatat. Harihi iti na tu sakshat asmakam devata harihi. Harihi iti ekkopi prayah. Harau chestamane sati, by this fellow called Hari doing some kind of chesta. Chesta means some kind of let us call not serious action. Okay. Shishuhu adaha apatat. The baby fell down. Oh, such a sorry outcome. Hopefully he was fine. So Harau chestamane sati shishuhu adaha apatat. I don't know if there is some Puranic reference to actual Hari, but let us take the simple Laukika meaning. Okay.
Hari
So,
is also monkey, sir.
oh,
Vanaraha.
Vanaraha. You're right. Harihi is a paryaya. Thanks, Bhagini. Thanks for. So Harihi is a paryaya pada for Vanaraha. So probably our, even if it is a fellow Hari, he is more like the monkey Hari, trying to play with a Shishu. So sometimes, you know, some guys will play with the Shishu, jump, making it, throwing it up and catching and things like that. So, but here I don't think an actual actual Vanari or Vanara will ever do this. They are very, very careful with their babies. But let's call it as a Manava Hari here. Huh? So, thanks, Bhagini. Govinde pratikshamane sati patra vitarakaha agataha. Upon while in expectation of Govinda, I don't know how to literally translate it. So Govinde pratikshamane sati, upon Govinda anticipating, patra vitarakaha agataha, the postman came. This used to happen long time ago in our households. All of us oldies know about this, how we used to wait for that 1:15 delivery or whatever. So, Govinde pratikshamane sati patra vitarakaha agataha. Latayam edhamanayam satyam kitaha badante. So, upon the leaf growing, okay, kitaha badante. So, especially when it is like a young shoot, it's very tasty for the insects. So, upon the creeper growing, the insects trouble, of course, trouble the lata. That is the implication there. Latasu kampamanasu satsu phalani patitani. Upon the shaking of the creeper, okay, fruits fell. Okay, Vriksha would have been pulling us, so they picked Lata and did the same sentence. Okay, Vriksheshu Kampamaneshu would be Pullinga. Vriksheshu Kampamaneshu Satsu Phalani Patitani Latasu Kampamanasu Satsu Pullinge api Satsu iti tatra Satsu Latasu Kampamanasu Satsu. So Satishu iti kimartham na सतीषु इति भवितव्यं किल अत्र द्रष्टव्यं सतीषु इति भवितव्यं मम मतिः तथा उच्यते पुल्लिङ्गे सत्सु इति लिखितमस्ति न सम्यक् हाँ शाणत् स्यात् परन्तु स्त्रीलिङ्गे स्यात् किल लतासु इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे अस्ति तर्हि सतीषु इति भवितव्यं किल तस्य विषये उक्तं मया Okay, I will have to cross check with some Samskrita Bharati senior.
Sir, all these, Sati, Satsu, Satishu in brackets, are they Adhyaharanas? I mean.
No, sorry, good. No, not Adhyaharanas. They can be placed or they can be not placed. It's up to you. Okay. It is for me, in my version, I try to keep them because it gives the clarity of Sati Saptami Prayoga. Okay, so it is an auxiliary reassertion of the Shatranta behavior of the Kampamanasu. So there is no need for this. Okay.
Understood, sir. Thank you.
Usually in Sanskrit literature, we don't see any such examples within brackets.
No. Of course. Yes, Mahodaya. Actually, even Kavis in the literature don't try to use the Sati, Santau, Santaha, that too much. Okay, they will go with the Sati Saptami of the original Chatranta and leave it. Okay. But at Sarala Samskrita level, Samskrita Bharati is saying if you wish, you can place that. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bracket is not for Adhyaharana. Adhyaharana bracket will be there when we are doing Anvaya of a shloka where that word is missing. Here it is to show the optionality. Okay, not the Adhyaharana, it is to show the optionality. And like Mahodaya said, it's not much seen in literature. And literature bracket though is obviously Varjya. In all sentences above, there is Sati Saptami Prayogaha. See, this time they removed the Avasana. Sat Saptami Prayogaha. This usage is also called Bhava Lakshana Saptami. Nice name, this one. Bhava Lakshana Saptami. So it has the Bhava. To understand the... Yes, Bhagini.
Sorry. Should these two actions be related to each other?
In the sense of the first action is the gate for the second action.
So we can also use yada tada.
Yes, you can kind of say, but yada tada is very lame compared to the color of Sati Saptami.
So
Yes,
one
you're
It
right.
can also be like the nyaya which we read earlier, Mahodaya, like that kaka. When the close with the kakataliya nyaya.
Yeah,
Then it falls.
Kakataliya Nyaya, a sentence can be put in Sati Saptami nicely. Yeah.
sir, what is Edamanaya?
Edaman, grow.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So
there is
one
a,
doubt.
you see number 8, if you see Sanskrit Bharati has put some dictionary right there for tough ones. Like Edamana means the growing feminine thing is Edamana. So 8 growing. And it is in Saptami, so upon growing sense comes in the correct literal translation. Another Mahodaya had a question.
Yes, sir. Patitani is Bhutkal.
It is a Tavatu Bhutakala.
Okay.
Mahodaya, one more question. When we put in that Sati Saptami in brackets, so we need to read it continuously, I suppose. Like Narishu, Jalpantishu,
Correct.
Andakaraha,
Correct. If you remove the bracket, you should read it as if the brackets are not there. Correct. Narishu, Jalpantishu, Satishu, Andakaraha, Prasutaha. I would put a comma after this much. That will be nice. In the tonality we can change, you know. Narishu, Jalpantishu, Satishu, Andakaraha, Prasutaha. That kaku is very important in language. If you read like Narishu, Jalpantishu, Satishu, Andakaraha, Prasutaha, somebody will think we are doing some puja. So spoken Sanskrit should have the kaku.
Mahodaya, Kaku means what exactly?
Kaku means the tonality, the body language, all that.
But is it compulsory to pronounce that in the bracket words?
No. Just now we told, no, it is. You can read this sentence as Narishu Jalpantishu Andakaraha Prasrutaha. It is a mature level. You don't need that Satishu to be enhancing anything.
Okay, sir.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
Sir, that third one, sir. Putreshu agachatsu satsu mata santushtaha. They are actually Putreshu is actually sons, right?
But like I told, no, in Samskrita Vangmaya, when we use Pullinga, especially in Bahuvachana, okay, there is no implication that only Pullinga versions are involved in that collective. Okay.
Okay.
That is why the translator is doing a good job saying her children. Okay. That's why I appreciated that. We should never overread the linga of a Bahuvachana Pullinga word, because the directive in the grammar is when there is a collective of males and females, use the Pullinga in Bahuvachana, no problem, to include the collective. I mean, obviously there is a bit of Macoism in using Pullinga, but they do allow, if it's a collective of only females, you cannot use Putreshu. You have to use Putri Shabdas Bahuvachana. Okay? Putrishu or something like that. Yeah? Okay. Any other questions? Okay. So, to understand better, read the following sentences. Okay. Some more they have given. I thought we had seen a lot, but some more they have given. Okay. Vrikshe kampamane phalam patitam. This is our palani patitani lata. Vrikshe kampamane. Pullinga ekavachana. Vrikshe kampamane phalam patitam. Upon the tree shaking, the fruit fell. There is no, they have just totally avoided the sati or satsu prayoga here. The as dhatus shatrantarupa. They have avoided. Okay. Chatreshu agachatsu shikshakah patham arabdavan. Upon the students arriving, the teacher started the lesson. This is the modern day classroom, guys, not our childhood. So don't get surprised by these sentences. In our childhood, if we came late, we stand outside only. Jalpantyam grihinyam. Sati. Okay. Jalpantyam grihinyam patihi griham agatavan. Even as the housewife was enjoying a chat, to her sad horror, patihi griham agatavan. The husband came home to trouble her. The rest in bracket. Don't read it from the translation. Okay. So Sati Saptami conditioned upon Bidalasya mu sankhya kshayati sati. What is this mu sankhya? Oh, okay. There is this. Let us. I have forgotten this trip I placed so long ago. I have forgotten the condition. 2 cats are on the roof. Which one falls off first? This is our Einstein thinking with all formula. Instead of so he's doing some E divided by MC square. Okay. I know the answer to this, but cannot remember. This is our history professor, I think. Yes, it's the one with the lowest mu. Mu being that Greek letter mu, but actually MEW, meow. Nice. So, how we can say this in Sanskritam? Bidalasa mu sankhya kshayati sati. Something like that. Upon the declension of the mu value, something happened. Okay. In these sentences, there are 2 actions taking place. In the first, the action of shaking indicates when the other action falling takes place. That is kampamane patitam, like that. Okay. So shaking indicates the other action falling takes place. In the second, the action of coming is indicative of the action of beginning of the lesson. Chatreshu agachatsu, like that. That one. Okay. In the third, the action of conversing indicates when the husband arrived. Okay. Jalpantishu agatavan. That one. Okay. Jalpantyam kshamite. It's only one grihini. So jalpantyam agatavan. This relation between the 2 actions is known as Gnapya Gnapaka Bhava. So Bhava Lakshana Saptami was defined earlier. So this is Gnapya Gnapaka Bhava. So that which has to be reminded of and that which reminds. So Gnapakaha is that entity which reminds us and Gnapyaha is that entity which is supposed to be reminded to us. Okay. So this is the relation between them is the bhava. In the sentence, vrikshe kampamane phalam patitam, kampanam is the kriya found in the vriksha. Therefore, the word vriksha takes the saptami vibhakti. Kampamana is the word denoting a kriya, kriya vachaka. And as it is an adjective to vriksha, it also takes the same vibhakti and vachana as the latter visheshyam. Vrikshe, so it also goes to kampamane. So in this usage, now they have come to this satsu, sun, all those things that we are seeing so much. In this usage, the word sat is applied. See, sat. Asdatoho shatru roopam sat iti bhavati. Asdatoho shatranta roopam bhavati. Shatranta pratipadika roopam. Sat iti. Punaha tatah subantam krutva सन सन्तौ सन्तः इति प्रथमा विभक्तौ एवं भवति तत्. Okay. In this usage, the word sat is applied. Therefore, it is known as sat saptami or sati saptami. Sat shabda takes the gender and number of the visheshyam. I mean, it goes along with the shanaj. Sati satoho satsu. Satyam satyoho satishu. पुल्लिंगे स्त्रीलिंगे च नपुंसकेपि सति सतोः सत्सु इत्येव भवति. किमर्थं तृतीया विभक्तितः सप्तमी पर्यन्तं नपुंसक शब्दाः पुल्लिंगवत् भवन्ति इति वयं जानीमः. तो सति सतोः सत्सु इति पुल्लिंगे नपुंसके च सत्यां सत्योः सतीषु इस् फॉर स्त्रीलिंग. दे आर एक्सक्लूसिव. उदाहरणं रामे वदति सति पुल्लिंग एकवचन. Saptami ekavachana, not Prathama ekavachana, remember. So Pullinga Saptami vadati sati, upon Rama telling something. Rama Lakshmanayoho vadatoho satoho, Dvivachana, first time they have put. Rama Lakshmanayoho vadatoho satoho, upon Rama and Lakshmana telling, okay, Sita kopam prakatitavati. One time Sita does something that is out of turn in her entire history. Poor lady. Rama Lakshmana Bharateshu Vadatsu Satsu. This is, of course, just a combination. There is no historical target for this. Okay, Rama Lakshmana Bharateshu Vadatsu Satsu. So upon these three telling something like that. Sutayam Vadantyam Satyam. Okay. So Suta is a helper lady, something like that. Suta, trying to think.
Son, S-O-N.
Maybe daughter sense also comes, I think. Maybe daughter also sense comes.
Sir, it is daughter only.
Daughter only, no? Not a helper. Sorry. So Sutayam Vadantyam Satyam, upon the daughter telling something, Mata कोपम अनुभूतवती कोपं प्रकटितवती किमपि सुता प्रायः एवं वदति अहम् अद्य विद्यालयं न गच्छामि इति किमपि स्यात् सीता कौसल्ययोः वदन्त्योः सत्योः सीता कौसल्य एतयोः वदन्त्योः सत्योः कदा सीता कौसल्यो किमपि स्यात् तत्र I never thought of any conversation between these two or together them telling something. Sita Kausalyoho Vadantyoho Satyoho Ramah Duram Gatavan. Sorry, I'm heaping through too much on Rama. Mahilasu Vadantishu Satishu something. So upon the ladies telling something, something ensued. So they have shown the Pullinga Ekadvi Bahu and Strilinga Ekadvi Bahu. We can extend the Pullinga to Napumsaka also in Mitre Vadati Sati. Mitre is Saptami Ekavachana, Napumsaka Linga, but Vadati will be Vadati only. Okay, like when we translate these sentences into English, we find that the Saptami Vibhakti actually conveys the sense of Prathama Vibhakti. Okay, I mean, English sentences varies a little bit. That's what they're saying. So, Udaharanam Rame Vadati Sati translate as while Rama is speaking, as if it's a Prathama Vibhakti. But in the sense, I too, conditioned upon Rama speaking, sounds like Saptami, because upon is a Saptami Prayoga. That's how I look at it. Upon such and such occurring, existing, happening, like that. This usage of locative absolute can substitute the use of correlatives, yada, tada. Somebody brought this up, right? So, see, yada, tada is also giving a similar conveyance. Sanskrit Bharati themselves have explained nicely. Yada sakhi pravishanti asid. When the lady friend was entering, tada putri ruditavati. That time the daughter cried. Okay, the same can be in Saptami as Sakyam pravishantyam satyam putri ruditavati. See, asit was kind of required there. Yada Saki Pravishanti Asit Tada Putri Ruditavati. Now you can eliminate the Saptami Ekavachana Satyam and say it in a short way as Sakyam Pravishantyam Putri Ruditavati. So it allows a very elegant compaction of something that is laborious earlier. Yada Tada. But Yada Tada is very simple Samskrita. No problem. So they are just trying to climb us a little bit. So when then? When the lady helper was entering, the daughter cried.
Sir, can I ask one question, sir?
Yes, Bhagini, of course.
So, what would be the Bahuvachana form for Sat Shabda for in Strilinga?
Satishu. Saptami Bahuvachana. See here, Satyam, Satyoho, Satishu. That is the one.
One doubt I have, sir.
And
Satishu,
Mahodaya, please
Satishu
wait.
for if it is a Lata type of word, for
Mahodaya, please
Nadishu
wait.
it
I
is.
am not hearing anyone. Madhavi only shall speak. What is next, Bhagini?
So for Lata Su type of word, it is Satsu. And
Correct.
Nadishu type of word.
No. Lata, Satishu only it should have been, Bhagini. You remember we were stumped there. Okay. Latasu shouldn't have been accompanied with Satsu. It should have been Satishu. So there is an potential. Let me. So I have just highlighted it here later so that I can cross check. Okay. It should have been Satish. Is that all, Madhavi Bhagini?
Yes. Only that much was the problem for me. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Someone else had a question?
when we talk about Saptami Vibhakti for Srilinga, we say two, no, sir. Similarly, when you talk about Pullinga, it becomes two, right, sir? Are you able to hear me?
I can hear you, but it's not clear. The keyword was missed. Can you repeat?
Sir, normally, the Latasu is what we use it for Srilinga. Rameshu, it is what for Pullinga, is it right, sir? Saptami Bahuvachana.
Yeah, correct. See, that's what here you come here. Here actually in this sentences. See, Rame Vadati. So this is upon him telling. Okay, Vadato ho Vadatsu. So Pullinga Shatranta Pullinga of this dhatu is Vadati Vadato ho Vadatsu. Gacchati Gacchato ho Gachatsu. Something like that. Okay. And the same thing in Strilinga is Vadantyam Vadantyoho Vadantisho. Okay, this is for the actual verb, which is the gating verb. Gating verb means that verb which after occurring gates or opens up the gate for the other verb to take place. Okay. Now the Sati Saptami corresponding placement is Sati Satoho Satsu in Pullinga, Satyam Satyoho Satishu in Strilinga. Okay. So obviously the subject of the action also is in Saptami. The subject of this Shatranta action, which is the Sati Saptami action, is also Sutayam Vadantyam Satyam. Subject of this action is also in Saptami. Okay. I hope it's clear, Mahodaya.
Okay.
Okay. So where we were, yeah. So let's read this much. Udaharanam Rame Vadati Sati. While Rama is speaking, this uses of locative absolute can Yada Saki Pravashin Tada. We finished this. Okay. All right. Yada Tada. So it's good that they highlighted the equivalence of Yada Tada Prayoga to Sati Saptami. Okay. Abhyasaha. एतेषु वाक्येषु सत्सप्तमी प्रयोगयुक्तानां शब्दानाम् अधः रेखाङ्कनं कुरुत. It's a very easy exercise. So you're supposed to just underline. So identifying the subject and the action which is in Saptami which is in the Sati Saptami Bhava Lakshana Saptami. That's what we have to do. Very easy. Khage Dayamane Vrishtihi Arabda. What is the pair of words?
Khage Dayamane.
Upon the
Ekvachanam Pullinga.
Pullinga. Correct. So upon the bird flying, the rain started. Some kind of Kakatali Nyaya. Okay. Balikasu Khidyamanasu Santosha Varta Prapta.
Balikasu Khidyamanasu.
Very good. Balikasu Khidyamanasu. Stri Bahuvachana.
So one question.
Yes, Bhagini.
What is Santosh Varta?
Santosha Varta. You tell. Santosha is what?
Happiness.
Varta is what?
Talk.
News.
News.
Okay. Happy news.
Okay, happy new. Okay, thank you.
It's feminine, that's why it is prapta.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Okay, through her husband's laptop it is echoing. We'll have to manage. Okay. शिशुषु भाषमाणेषु पितरः सन्तुष्टाः.
शिशुषु
भाषमाणेषु.
शिशुषु भाषमाणेषु. Very good. So this is like this, mama, dada, sweet sounds of the so pitaraha. See here, see pita, pitarau, pitaraha. So here pitaraha extends to probably grandfather, grandmother, everyone in that sense. So bahuvachana of pitaraha is always a surprise. We know it has to be in dvivachana, but you extend it to other pitamaha, pitamahi. All of them come under the umbrella of pitaraha. Okay, so it's an umbrella term for the elders. So upon the child speaking, what does the child speak? Mama, dada, that one. Pitaraha santushtaha. Vishwase spardhamane lalitāyah utsahah pravruddhah.
विश्वासे स्पर्धमाने.
Pullinga. Okay. So upon Vishwas, Mr. Vishwas or Master Vishwas, upon Master Vishwas competing, the enthusiasm of Lalita increased. I mean, she was standing by encouraging her son, I guess. So she was shouting from the sides, "Go Vishwas!" like that. Nyayadhishe kshamama. Unfortunately, Monas Bagini, what is happening? We are getting echo for some reason from your end.
Okay, sir, I'll keep it on mute.
Actually, I don't know where echo is coming. You're clear when you speak. Maybe somewhere else it is coming from. I apologize. Okay.
No worries.
Somebody has some double speaker situation, I think. Vishwase spardhamane lalitayaha utsahaha pravruddha. We got that. Vishwase. So nyayadishe kshamamane choraha davitavan.
Nyayadishe kshamamane.
Pullinga. So as soon as is the correct translation here. As soon as the judge gave him favorable judgment, when he gave him, I don't know how to say in Chamamana.
Forgivens.
Forgivens. Pardon. Yes, correct. So upon the judge pardoning, the robber ran. Savitayam gayantyam anuja nartanam krutavati.
Savitayam gayantyam.
Strilinga
Saptami Strilinga
Ekavachana. Very good. So Savitayam gayantyam. Upon Savita singing, the sister or another girl by name Anuja, she danced. What a nice scene. Bale patati mata bhita.
Bale patati.
Bale patati.
Pullinga shabda.
Pullinga. So sati is optional. They haven't put. So bale patati sati mata bhita. Upon the boy falling, this scene, the mother was dead scared. Sadhakeshu japatsu naradaha agatavan.
Sadhakeshu japatsu. Saptami ekvachana pullinga.
Bahuvachana.
Sorry, bahuvachana.
Saptami bahuvachana.
Pullinga, correct. Upon the sadhakas, who is a sadhaka? The one who is doing tapas. So or japa. So the upon the ascetics doing japa, as usual, our ever-present Narada, who appears in all such occasions, he came to give them some advice. Okay. So okay. All right. So more exercises for us.
Sir.
Bagini.
Sir.
Ask the question, Bagini. Ask.
That Bale Patati Mata Bhita, can we not say Bale Patatsu Patate? We cannot say a word.
See, this is Pullinga, Balaha. She has a male child. So if it is Balika, so then you will go Balikayam Patatyam, something like that. Balikayam Patatyam Mata Bhita, like that. Okay?
We cannot say patate, patate.
No, this is Shatru Prayoga, Bhagini.
Okay, like that. Okay, for that, like that.
Patati.
Okay,
This
now
is
not-
that declines that way. You see, vadati, vadatoho, vadatsu, sati, satoho,
Okay.
satsu, like that. Okay. Don't think of it as, see, we had earlier seen during Shatranta study, Saptami Ekavachana looks like Lat Lakara Ekavachana of the same dhatu. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So don't confuse it with Lat Ekavachana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the context, you have to pick up looking at also how in the sentence the position of the verb is. Now you say, oh, this is not a Tinganta, this is a Kriya Vachaka Shatranta Saptami Ekavachana. It is associated with Bale, which is in Saptami Ekavachana. So it is a Sati Saptami Prayoga. So this is that Dhatus Shatranta Saptami Ekavachana, not Lat. So that okay.
So this declines as Bhavat Shab, the Shatru and Shanaj. Bhavat Shab.
San Santo. I think it's similar to Bhavat because
Bhavan,
Takara,
Bhavat,
the Pullinga.
yes.
Correct. Yeah.
And Napunsalika will be like Jagat.
Yes.
Striling is like Nadi.
Nadi Shabda. Correct. Patanti. We had seen it during all the earlier
Yes.
chapters when we learned Shatrantas.
Yes,
We
sir.
had. Correct.
Thank you.
Thanks for reminding.
Sir, I have an opinion. Can I say it? Is it just like an extended form of Shatru Shanach? Sati Saptami is extended form of Shatru Shanach?
Not that way. Shatru Shanach is naturally the usage when there is a Sati Saptami Prayoga. Okay, because Sati Saptami Prayoga is based on some action opening up for another action, right? So that first action has to be in the Saptami as a condition, time condition. Okay, time condition.
Thank you.
They are related that way. In the sense, you need Sati Saptami Prayoga typically with Shatranta or Shanajanta if it is Atmanepadi Dhatu. Okay. For example, Kidyamana, Shanajanta, Kidyate. They have just not reminded us every time. So here you see Dayamane, Spardamane, Bashamane. So all they did not somehow introduce earlier. I wish there were here and there Shanaj also, I think. Kampamana, Edhamana, Pratikshamana. So you can identify where Shatranta is there, Shanajanta is there. They have not highlighted. It will be nice for us to remind ourselves. Okay.
It depends on Atmanepada.
Atmanepadi and Parasmaipadi. Yes. Shanach is actually a substitution for Shatru only. Okay. Shatru is for Parasmaipadi dhatus. For Atmanepadi, the Shatranta form is in Shanajanta form. That's all. Okay. That's why they say Shatru Shanach in one go here in the pink highlight portion. Okay. Yeah. So now we are supposed to be mature enough to identify the dhatus padi and then go correctly. It'll take some time for us, but we're slowly learning. So what I have done here is just to help us. Gacchati, gacchatoho, gachatsu. I have given it in Pullinga, in Shatranta form, and Vardhate. So Vardhate Dhatu is in Shanach. So Vardhamane, Vardhamanayoho, Vardhamaneshu. It has its own declension. Okay. Similarly, Gachan, I have given the same Dhatu in Strilinga. Gachantyam, Gachantyoho, Gachantishu. Shatranta Strilinga Rupas, Saptami. And Vardhamanayam, Vardhamanayoho, Vardhamanasu is Shanajanta Strilinga Saptami Rupas. Okay. And just to
neuter gender, what it will be?
Same as Pullinga. Gacchati, gacchatoho, gachatsu.
Okay.
Neuter gender, all vibhaktis after Tritiya is same as Pullinga.
Okay.
Akaranta Napumsakalinga will be like Akaranta Pullinga and so on and so forth. Okay. And similarly, if you want to place Sati Satoho Satsu for Pullinga, Satyam Satyoho Satisho for Strilinga. Pullinga and Napumsaka. Blue is Pullinga and Napumsaka. Okay. This blue pink is our universal masculine feminine code I am trying to use there. Okay. एतेषां सत्सप्तमी रूपं लिखत. Let's see if we can quickly run through this. गच्छन् छात्रः गच्छति छात्रे. So they have asked us to move from prathama to saptami. Okay. रुदन् बालकः.
रुदति बालके.
रुदति बालके. चालयन्ती चालिका.
चालयन्त्यां चालिकायां.
चालयन्त्यां चालिकायां.
Very good. स्त्रीलिंग एकवचन. नृत्यन् नर्तकः.
नृत्यति
नर्तके. पुल्लिंग शत्रन्त एकवचन. पतत् पर्णम्.
पतति
नपुंसकलिंग सप्तमी एकवचन. Okay, see napu. Same, there is no difference with pullinga, but it is napumsaka. Okay, patati parne, upon the leaf falling. Udgachat kshiram.
Udgachati kshiram.
Again saptami napumsaka ekavachana shatranta. Okay, so far we have encountered only shatrantas. Okay, so far no shana jantas yet. So what is this udgachati kshire? Upon the milk boiling over. Okay, upon the milk rising. That is that bubbling of the milk. Of a good milk, guys. Not your standard Nandini low fat junk. Okay, Bhashamanaha nirvahakaha.
भाषमाणेषु निर्वाहकेषु. Shanat shabda, bahuvachana.
Shanach, mana, correct. Mana, Nanatva is there because of Shakara. Nanatva is induced. Bhashamanaha, Bhashamaneshu, Nirvahakeshu. Upon the various managers and organizers speaking or chattering or something. Okay. Lepayantyah Tarunyaha.
लेपयन्तीषु तरुणीषु.
Strilinga bahuvachana shanach. Oh, Shatru. There is no mana business here. So somebody's pongal is cooking. We can hear the steaming. Lepayantishu tarunishu. So what is this lepana? So obviously lepana means some kind of application of something paste. So maybe some kasturi mehendi or maybe some kasturi what we call shunti. Various things that we apply to the face. Ganayantyah apanikaha.
Ganayatsu pullinga shabda.
Ganayant. How is the Ganayantyeshu va katam? Ganayatsu. No nakara. Ganayatsu. Ganayatsu apanikeshu. Okay. Hasantyah sutaha.
हसन्तीषु सुतासु.
Strilinga bahuvachana.
Stri bahu. So hasantishu sutasu. Here shatva is there. Here there is sattva. There is no shatva. Okay. It will take a while to figure out the shatva rules. It has it. So there is a whole declension thing. Stri shatru. Okay. Jigrantaha pachakaha. Very good. Jigratsu pachakeshu. Shatru bahuvachana pullinga. So here let's quickly see the meanings as usual. Rudan balakaha, the crying boy. Chalayanti chalika, the driving lady driver. Nrityan nartakaha, the dancing dancer, masculine. Patat parnam, the falling leaf, neuter. Udgachat kshiram, the rising milk, neuter. Bhashamanaha nirvahakaha, the speaking organizers. You can say pullinga because Bhashamanaha. I think it's similar, right? Vardamana only. So it can be pullinga or strilinga. Okay. So lepayantyah tarunyah, the ladies who are pasting some beauty item. Ganayantyah apanikaha, the storekeepers who are counting money, I guess. Hasantyah sutaha, the laughing daughters. Oh, nice. Jigrantaha pachakaha, the smelling. I mean, they are not smelling themselves. Please don't take it that way. They are smelling their food that they are cooking. So the cookers who are smelling the cooked items. So difficult. English is a very strange language. You cannot say smelling cookers.
Sir, Udkacha Chiram could be overflowing milk,
It could be overflowing, it could be rising. Yeah.
rising and overflowing, both words.
Yeah,
No?
overflowing potentially if it has risen so much, yes. But
Okay.
it generally conveys the rising milk in its
Rising
literal
milk.
sense. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Today it's very apt because today we are supposed to celebrate Sankranti by actually making the milk fall over. That means to say that
Pongal.
let there be enough
Pongal,
production that we can afford for it to fall over and feed the bhutas also. Yeah, nice. Avarane Dattanam Shabdanam, I think time is up. So let us catch up with few more of these exercises after the break. Take a nice water break, 12:06 now. 12:10 we will gather back, do some more exercises and keep going forward. Okay. So take a water break now. स्वागतं पुनः। तु अग्रे किञ्चित् कृत्वा गमिष्यामः। आवरणे दत्तानां शब्दानां सप्तमी रूपं लिखत। तु प्रथमा विभक्ति रूपं दर्शितमस्ति, तु तस्य एव सप्तम्यां स्थापितव्यं। प्रायः सति शब्दस्य अस् धातोः अपि सप्तमी रूपं स्थापितुं शक्नुमः। शत्रन्ते वा शानजन्ते वा शत्रन्ते भवति तत्तु। दशरथः अपतत्, रामः गच्छन् दशरथः अपतत्।
रामे गच्छति।
रामे
पुल्लिंग
गच्छति, pullinga
ekvachana.
ekavachana saptami. Very good. Saptami is obvious, so just enough to say pullinga ekala. Damayanti agachanti nalah roopam parivartitavan.
Damayantyam
दमयन्त्याम्
agachantyam.
आगच्छन्त्याम्
Very good.
Ekvachana, striling.
Okay, strilinga. So see gachantyam. So damayantyam agachantyam. Nalah roopam parivartitavan. If you know the Nala Damayanti story, no? So there will be a Swayamvara and all that. So
Nalaha is what?
Nala is the fellow that Damayanti wishes to marry. He is the king.
Okay.
But he is putting some. Actually, what happens? There are some devas who try to create confusion, so that Damayanti they come there during the Swayamvara and try to dress themselves and appear themselves as Nala and duplicate him and appear there in the Swayamvara. But Damayanti is able to identify the original Nala. So it's all some colorful story. Nala Damayanti. Lakshmanaha anubadhavan mrugaha adhavat.
Lakshmane anudhavati.
Lakshmane anudhavati. Pullinga ekavachana. So Draupadi ahvayanti Shri Krishnaha akshayavastram anugrihitavan.
Draupadyam avahayantyam. Strilinga ek.
Ahvayantyam three ekavachana. Draupadyam ahvayantyam. So upon Draupadi's desperate invitation, I am adding the desperate, Shri Krishna granted infinite cloth for her, so that our fellow gets tired. Duryodhana's brother, Dushasana. Okay. Dash Indraha Yachamanaha Karnaha Santushtaha.
Indre yachamane.
Shanach first time appeared. Okay. Indre Yachamane. Okay. Upon Indra begging, Karna became happy. I want to read the story. What was this? I don't know the story. Sarve Panakam Pibantah Shrantihi Nirgata.
Sarveshu panakam pibatsu.
Beautiful. Sarveshu panakam pibatsu. So gachatsu pibatsu. Okay. Panakam remains karma pada ekavachana. It doesn't shift to any shatranta. So, but sarva shabda here is a karta. So has to shift to saptami also along with pibantaha. So sarveshu pibatsu. Sarveshu panakam pibatsu. Shrantihi nirgata. The tiredness went away upon everyone drinking the elixir called panaka. Panaka simply means that which is drinkable.
So during that Kavach Kundala Dana, the fifth one, you asked for it, no? The Kavach Kundala, when before the war, Indra wanted the Kavach Kundala from Karna because that would have protected him. So therefore he came in the form of Brahmin.
But hold a minute, wasn't it Kunti who sought that? I mean, I am confused now.
No, it is Indra.
No, Indra had
Indra comes in the
No, sir, it is Indra who comes because he is the father of Arjuna.
Yeah.
So he wants, he doesn't want Karna to win over Arjuna.
Okay. Kunti also has some request of Karna, but I think the actual Kavacha incident is related to Indra. Okay.
Indra.
He wants to stop him. And she begs him to unite with the other brothers. But he refuses and promises not to kill anybody, any Pandava other than Arjuna. He doesn't kill other brothers, even though he defeats each of them.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
What he says is that even then, if one of them is killed, you will be having all the 5 children. Even Arjuna is killed by
because
any,
he,
then
he
he will be
herself,
having
he
5.
himself is a Pandava in the, but he's not a Pandava, he's a Kaunteya. Okay.
Kaunteya.
Kaunteya. All right. So let's move on from this colorful context there. Gopikaha smarantyah Krishnaha agatah eva. Smarantishu. Very good. Okay. Gopikasu smarantishu something. Okay. So Shatva here, no Shatva there. Gopikasu smarantishu. Okay. All right. Upon the Gopikas remembering Krishna came only. Like that. Okay. Udaharananugudam Vyakyani parivartayata. So they are lifting us. You see the technique. They are trying to complicate a little bit more. So here they have given the Yadatada version. We have to do the Shatranta version or Shanajanta version. Okay. Yada Vidushakaha Vinoda Kadikam Vadan Asit Tada Sarve Hasitavantaha. When Vidushaka was telling a joke, everybody laughed. Okay. So Vidushake Vinoda Kanikam Vadati Sati Sarve Hasitavantaha. Like that, it's gone. Okay. I included Sati. So fairly straightforward. Let's try for a few and then call it finish this exercise. Yada Vahanam Agachat Asit Tada Balaha Davitavantaha.
Vahane agachati
Vahane. Very simple. Vahane agachati balaha davitavantaha. So short it became. Yada mata putram smaranti asit tada putraha agatavan.
Matari putram smarantyam
Matari putram smarantyam. Very good. Yada archakaha pujayan asit tada pushpa prasadaha praptaha.
Archake pujayati pushpa prasadaha praptaha.
Archake pujayati is enough, right? Archake pujayati and sati also can be added. Here it's satyam, sati. So pullinga strilinga you have to look and go. All right. Yada Ravindraha katayan asit tada aham mama balyam smrutavati.
Ravindre kathayati aham mama balyam smrutavati.
Very good. Ravindre, I have Ravindre kathayati sati aham mama balyam smrutavati. Kopi mahila vadanti asti क्षम्यतां सी there vadanti asti kopi mahila vadanti asti. तो यदा रवीन्द्रः किमपि कथयन् आसीत् तदा सा महिला वदति अहं मम बाल्यं स्मृतवती इति. तथैव तिष्ठति. The rest of the phrase remains as is, only this goes to Sati Saptami conditioned mode. Okay, gating mode I call it. Yada bhaktaah smarantah asan tada Vishnuhu agatah.
Bhaktashu
Bhaktashu Smaratsu. Correct. Bhakteshu Smaratsu. Okay. Vishnuhu agatah. Yada Bhaginyah hasantyah asan tada pita agatavan.
Bhaginishu hasantishu.
Gachantishu type Bhaginishu hasantishu. Very good. Bhaginishu hasantishu pita agatavan. When the sisters were laughing, the father came and they laughed no more. Yada shikshika patayanti asit tada parivikshakah parishilitavan.
Shikshikayam patayantyam.
Very good. Shikshikayam patayantyam. Saptami ekavachana strilinga. Yada saha yes, question.
Sir, vikshakah is invigilator. So what is parivikshakah?
I mean one
Pari
who
is an upasarga.
Upasarga means he is looking by going around, na? So parivikshaka means one who is looking everywhere type sense is there. Scrutinizer, invigilator, this kind of.
School inspector. He's examining the teacher.
Inspector, school inspector. Oh yeah, because shikshika patayanti.
Activities of the teacher.
Not exam. This is to exam of the teaching only. Yeah, correct. Parivikshaka is like that proverbial officer who comes once in a year. Okay, yada saha griha nirmanam kurvan asit tada ishtikaah patitaah. Oh, sad.
Tasmin griha nirmanam
kurvati.
Tasmin. Saha taute goes to tasmin. Beautiful. So tasmin gruha nirmanam kurvati sati ishtikaha patitaha. Tasmin kurvati. And karma pada remains in gruha nirmanam. Sati is optional. What is ishtika? Ishtika is itti. Brick. So the bricks fell. It's a feminine word, brick, you see, ishtika. So bricks fell. Very difficult situation during house construction. Okay. See here the pullinga, strilinga refers to the underlined item, to the sati saptami part, not to the active verb. Active verb is according to whatever is the active person, linga, etc. Balaha, putraha, and then all those things. Direct the lingatva of the active portion. Linktva, I should say, not lingatva, linktva. Very nice. So we have finished the Sati Saptami section of this lesson. Very nice. Pada Sangraha. What are the dhatus we are looking at today? Mruju, to clean. Okay. Ya, to go. Rudir, to weep. Roditi. Rudhir, to stop, obstruct. Rodhana. That one. Rodhana, we know, no? In our mother tongues also. That is that. Rodhana without Mahaprana is how we say in Kannada, of course. I don't know in other languages. So that is Rudir. Rodhana is Avarodhana, like that we say, no? That is Rudir. Lapa, to speak. Lapati. See, this one is come that we saw Parilapa, something like that. Earlier also we saw this dhatu in some context. Okay. So Lapati, interesting. So Mruju. Vartalapa, correct. That is also correct. Very good. Bruju, Ya, Rudhir, Rudhir, Lap. So I have put some effort to make some sentences. You guys should do this. Reading this is of less utility than you writing something on your own. But I have some pictures, so let us see. Vasarante karmakarya griham mrujyate. By the lady worker, at the end of the week, the house is cleaned. Nowadays, due to lockdown, that is also gone. Agami Shanivasare sa chadam api marjishyati. In the coming Saturday, okay, in the coming Saturday, I means at that time, she will also clean marjishyati. She will also clean the roof. Marjishyati, this one. Okay, these kind of trials you do. Pick up this and put something around it. Okay, maybe even some Sati Saptami Prayoga can be tried perhaps. Shayagriham marjitva sa mahanasam marjitum prabhavati. After cleaning the bedroom, she tries to clean the kitchen. So one context I have picked up, you see, something about some maid doing some works and going around that and putting. So you can put aham also, and then you have to go to Uttama Purusha. Aham, you have to say marjishyami. Okay, tree, how does it decline? You have to look up the dhatu. It's not an easy dhatu. See this Marsh tree, how difficult it is. Not an easy dhatu. Okay, so it's easier to use it in the infinitive. Marjanam karomi, like that. Kru dhatu extension is easier for this. Marjanam karishyami, like that. Tvaraya shyamah shauchagriham pratiyati. Pratiyati. So in a hurry, Shyama runs to the bathroom. This picture. Prati samvatsaram Himalayam yami yatum prayatami va. So every year I try to go to Himalaya, or try at least. I may not end up going. Videsham yaniyam iti Rameshah chintayati sma. I will go abroad, so thinks Ramesha. Used to think. Now it's all no visa, no pass. Shishuhu matuhu adarshanena khinnaha bhutva roditi. The baby, by non-appearance of the mother, see Shashti, matuhu adarshanena khinnaha bhutva, becoming very sad, roditi, he cries. Our beautiful baby here. Shishuna ruditaha, by the baby it was cried. So you guys keep going, I don't need to read the whole thing. So interesting. Lalanaha vyarthameva sallapanti iti naraihi lapyate. See this sentence. Lalanaha vyarthameva sallapanti iti. The ladies or the girls uselessly they chat. So the males chat. Catch. Gayakah alapan ragasya gunan pradarshayati. So the singer, by doing the alapana, here is the different application of the lap. So he demonstrates the qualities of the tune like this. Prahelika. Adyatana Prahelika.
Lovely pictures.
Thanks, Bhagini. I love pictures, so I try to put them. Some of them have copyright, but we are not using it for any money-making business. So, Prahelika.
Sir, one question, please. That is naraihi lapyate va naraihi lapyante. Is it bhave prayoga?
Bhave.
Okay.
Naraihi lapyate bhave. Because there is no karma pada for this. This is in karmani. If you see naraihi.
That's why ekavachana.
That's why ekavachana. Yes, correct.
Okay,
Sir, I just wanted to point out this Mahaprana, Alpaprana, the meaning, how the words of the meaning change, no? Rudir and Rudhir. So if you just make a pronunciation mistake, the whole meaning is changing. So it is very important that we actually get the Mahaprana, Alpapranas to get the correct meaning in Sanskrit, right? So
yes, Bhagini. Yes, Bhagini. Very, very rightly said. Yes. Yes. In fact, see the distance between the dhatus also. Rudhir, Rudhir, they sound like it should decline similarly. But look, because they belong to different ganas in the paddhati, Roditi and that is Runaddi. See that? Yes. See this? It is a parasmaipadi dhatu, but it has a very tough declension. Runaddi.
Right. Yes.
Yeah. So that's why we go into infinitives when we use this Rudhir dhatu, and it's easier to say Rodhanam Karoti. Kru dhatu application becomes easier. Okay.
Sir, Gachami, Gachava and all we say very commonly, but why not we say Yami, Yavaha, Yamaha, Yasi,
Is there? It's there. If you see kavis, no, they use Yadhatu a lot.
But we can use in our daily this thing Ayami, Yavaha, Yama and all.
You can use Bhagini. Please, you can use.
In conversation.
Yes. Aham Yami. Yes. It is having no, it is quite close to Gachami. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And then with the Nayami, it will become take. Okay. Nayati.
Nayati. Ni Nayati.
So slightly different. Okay. Good. Prahelika. Yajamanena kaha swarga hetuhu samyak vidhiyate vihayadyantayor varnau gotvam kutra sthitam vada. So here the second half is very easy. Vihaya, without, adyantayor varnau. So vihaya adyantayoho varnau. So giving up the adi and the anta varnas, giving up the or without the beginning and the last letter. That means the middle portion. Gotvam kutra sthitam vada. So the middle portion should indicate gotva. Gotva means what? The dharma of a cow. Okay, where it is standing, please tell. Okay, this is the second thing. So this is how we unravel. So the first one must be telling us something which is a longish word which contains some gotva in the middle and has some 2 extra words, letters around it. Okay, so yajamanena kaha swarga hetuhu samyak vidhiyate. By the yajamana. Who is the yajamana? The original definition of yajamana is implied here. Yajna is the word yuj dhatu. Okay, yajamana is the fellow who does the yaga. Okay, who is doing the yaga or the yajna. So yajamanena, by the fellow who is conducting the yajna. Okay, for example, a king or somebody like that. Kaha swarga hetuhu. What is the causal thing for reaching heaven? Samyak vidhiyate, properly assigned. Okay, like that. Okay, or known, this sentence. Okay, so what is it that man performs to obtain heaven? Okay, So in the simple way it is स्वर्गप्राप्तिः केन भवति इति सामान्य संस्कृते. अत्र किञ्चित् स्वर्गहेतु सम्यक् विधीयते इति गहनधातूनाम् उपयोगः कृतमस्ति. ओके, so by the yajamana what is performed to obtain the swarga, like that. Okay, here actually I gave away a little bit. Yajamana's original meaning is what I took it, but here in the simple one you can just take it as a man. Okay, so actually yaga, yajna, something will come. Okay, anyway, leaving the first and the last letters off, you get the answer to the question, where are the attributes of a cow found? Okay, this kind of thing. So yajamanah, yagasya karta, hetuhu means karanam, bijah, these kind of meanings. Vidhiyate, niyamanam kriyate, assignment is done, like that. Okay, and vihaya
also means bird.
Vihaga means bird.
Okay.
Vihaga, vihangama, vihaga, this. So tyaktva, vihaya, tyaktva, giving up. Adyantayoho, adihi, antaha cha tayoho. Okay, beginning and end, and of those two. Gotvam, goho dharmaha, lakshanam, the trait of a cow. Okay. So kaha saha vidhihi swargasya hetuhu bhavati yaha yajamanena samyak vidhiyate. आदिवर्णम अंतिमवर्णम च त्यक्त्वा शिष्टपदभागे गोत्वं कथं कस्मिन् पदार्थे सूचितं भवति. So guys, you have to think of some kind of dharmic act which is probably swarga hetu. Okay, not punya papa stuff. This is this is not the moksha related. This is more the intermediate swarga naraka related. Any guesses? Uttaram jnatum nudami va? Silence. Yaga vidhi. See, vidhiyate. The dhatu is very clue from the kavi. Vidhi. Yaga vidhi. Sacrificial rites. Yaga vidhi. Okay. So he has to perform the yaga vidhis. And here, ya and dihi, if you remove, gavi. Okay. Gavi actually is in the cow. Okay, so gotvam gavi vartate. Gotvam exists in a cow. So gotvam gavi stitam asti. Gotvam gavi stitam asti. Gotvam is there in a cow. Very simple answer in the end. So gavi saptami. Okay. Yaga vidhi. So remember this. Yaga vidhi. I remember yajna yaga, but I couldn't remember the word. Yaga vidhi. You have to keep remember this. Vidhi is the clue. So yaga from here, vidhi from here, we have to combine, gavi comes here. Okay, interesting. Subhashitam. Let's do one and call it a day. Let's do one and call it a day today. Vritti varnanam agre asti tadapi pashyamah. Ekavaram. Kapi bagini asti va? Patitum. या सम्यक् रागमालां प्रयुज्य कर्तुं शक्नोति?
पठामि?
अय्यर् चन्द्रावरी.
सुभाषितं वा?
सुभाषितं पठतु भगिनि.
सुभाषितं भोगे रोगभयं कुले च्युतिभयं पीते नृपालाद्भयं माने दैन्यभयं बले रिपुभयं रूपे जराया भयं शास्त्रे वादिभयं गुणे खलभयं काये कृतान्ताद्भयं सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि नृणां वैराग्यमेव भयम्.
अद्भुतं. पुनः एकवारं भगिनि, पुनः एकवारं.
भोगे रोगभयं कुले च्युतिभयं वित्ते नृपालाद्भयं माने दैन्यभयं बले रिपुभयं रूपे जराया भयं शास्त्रे वादिभयं गुणे खलभयं काये कृतान्ताद्भयं सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि नृणां वैराग्यमेवाभयम्.
Wow, beautiful. Thanks.
Very nice.
Very nicely read, Bhagini. See, even as she was reading, except for here and there, we had some, difficulties. Most of them explained themselves nicely. Okay. So, before we go into the meaning, see how nicely she sung with the meter, right? So the meter is so important. So let us take the knowledge of the meter a little bit with this longish verse. Okay. This is in a beautiful meter called Shardula Vikriditam. Okay, Shardula means Simha types. So it's the play of a lion. This this meter is named after the play of a lion, so Garjana of a lion or something like that. Perhaps Shardula Vikriditam. Okay, so this uses what we call grouping based meter. Okay, that means triplets combined to make the thing typically. Okay, and like I had told earlier, there is this Chandas Shastra Pingala, right? So in Pingala's Chandas Shastra, all this is characteristics are explained nicely, and he what he does is he takes three letters, aksharas. I should not even use the word letter. Aksharas, three aksharas. Okay, whether it's a simple akshara or a compound akshara, whatever, and using their gurutva, lagutva. So in this meter, not a single letter can be excluded from belonging to a guru or a lagu. It has to be very firm, either a guru or a lagu. So there is no relaxation. See, if you remember, the shloka meter was quite permissive. Only fifth letter, sixth letter, seventh letter, some rules were there. Okay, but here every letter has a precise requirement of gurutva, lagutva. So if you remember, gurutva, lagutva is based first on the swarakshara, whether it is hrusva, dirgha, and then if there is a compound letter in the next position, even if the current position has no dirgha, it takes the gurutva due to the presence of the compound next. So that way the second rule extends the gurutva to some hrusva swaras also, hrusva swara positioned letters also. Okay, every akshara, as you know, is a compound, potentially a compound. Can be samyukta akshara, or can be simple gunita akshara, or can be a swara itself. Where there are swaras, here this doesn't have any swara, pure swara. Everywhere there is at least a gunita akshara in this. Okay, anyway, so if you see what Pingala did, he coded 8 sets called Yamatara Jabha Nasa. He titled these groups as Yamatara Jabha Nasa. Ya stands for Laghu Guru Guru. Ma stands for Guru Guru Guru. Ta stands for Guru Guru Laghu. Like that he defined. Sa stands for Laghu Laghu Guru. I have simply used 001 notation because I come from digital world. Actually they use U and some other notations in Samskrita Vagnaya. The north people use one type, the south people use another type of accent letter. I didn't want to touch those. I just stayed with 0 and 1. 0 being hraswa and 1 being dirgha, or you can look at it as lagu guru rather than hraswa dirgha, because lagutva gurutva is beyond just hraswa and dirgha. Okay, so lagutva gurutva based on. So if you see what is this, this is a binary code. See 000, 001, 010, see 010, 011, 100, 101, 111. So if you go to modern binary arithmetic, this we call it as a binary position value system, where we are only left with two digits, 0 and 1, and we code numbers using that. So this is number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, so on and so forth. Number 7 is 111. Okay, that's what we use in digital electronics, and your computers and all use these codes. Of course, not just 3 bits, they use 32 bits, 64 bits up to like that. Okay, so to represent huge numbers. And what Pingala defined, he in fact coded this in a sutra. Okay, like so here it will be Yamata Yamatara Jabana Salaga, something like that. Some sutra will be there. Okay, that sutra is written to exactly represent ya as Yamala. So ya is Hrisva, ma is Dirga, Yamata. So ta is Dirga. So 00011 for ya, and Matara. So 111. So Taraja. So 110. So like this he quotes. Okay, brilliant. By looking at the meter of the Lakshana Vakya only, you can tell the numbers. You don't need to mug up this as that. You can mug up the whole sentence of the sutra, and then you will be able to decode anytime quickly the Lagu Guru qualities. Okay. In this Shardula Vikridita meter, we have to have what is called Masa Jasa Tataga set. Ma gana, sagana, jagana, sagana. Okay, then tagana, and guru, like that. Okay, so that's how it goes. So ma, sa, ja, sa, ta, ga. This ga is the last guru. Okay, I have put it in bold here. See this Lagu Guru, the last two letters in some meters, they don't belong to triplet sets. They will be isolated as Lagu Gurus, like that. But up to the here in this case, there is one last column which is Guru. How many letters are there in each pada? 1 through 19. You see this Samskrita letters 18, 19. This is. Please remember to mug up and practice the numerals of Devanagari also. Okay. We should stop using English too often. So numerals of Devanagari should be learnt by us. Okay, so this is how it is. And this is the actual the verse that we are looking at. Boge roga bayam kule chuti bayam. What I have done is I have opened up and colored the gurus in red and lagus in black, and shown the matching with the Gana Sutra, which is Masajasa Tataga. So it fits the Masajasa Tataga meter perfectly in every pada. And so it is in pure Shardula Vikreditam without any corruption. Okay. All right. So little bit of looking into the meter. Now, why there is this actually this meter has a yati. This kama is a yati. This is a green line I have shown here. This yati is Bhagini would have used that in her singing perfectly. So this yati is a place where not only the Kavi should actually provide for the yati. There should be a sandhi break or a pada break nicely, and also potentially a subclause break, so that you can continue like that. So see, he did that. Chuti bhayam vitte, ripu bhayam rupe, khala bhayam kaye, bhuvir nrinam vairagyam. So he used this yati perfectly, the Kavi, at this place. Look at the conditions that are heaped upon the Kavi to come up with this kavya. And it's not as if like us in modern age, they have these templates, they are looking at it and streaking the letters. What they do, they keep, just like Bhagini sang the meter, no? They have a guna thing. So they sing and code pat the words. Okay, they know what should be Lagu Guru based on that singing in their brain. So they can almost mentally they do that. So they don't remember it as this masajasa, that they remember it as a tone. Okay, elongated, short and sweet, lifted, kaku to help in the yati identification, etc. Okay, so this is the whole thing. This is not in Shiksha Pustaka. It is just to appreciate the meter world, one of the meters used in the kavya of Sanskrit. Okay, so there are two types of chandas: Akshara Chandaha and Matra Chandaha. Okay, Akshara Chandaha is in Veda largely. Okay, for example, in Veda, they are very interested in 24s, 32s, 8 into 4s, things like that. They follow Akshara Chanda. The count of the Aksharas is important for them. Okay, more than even the Gurutva, Lagutva, etc. Whereas in Laukika Kavya, it is more restrictive. Okay, you have to have Matra Chanda. Not only you have to have so many Aksharas, you have to also have the correct Matras for them in each position. So this is a Matra Chanda. Okay. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, this yaha is 011 maha. It is already given, or we are assuming all this code is already given.
Yeah, all this Shardula Vikridita means Masajasa Tataga meter.
Okay.
Okay, and Masajasat, the Kavi quotes, actually he describes the Shardula Vikriditam in this verse. You see here, Suryarshvair Masajastata Saguravah Shardula Vikriditam. So usually the Kavis, no, they code the code of the meter as part of one verse only, and this verse will have some meaning. It is not some meaningless stuff. Okay. Suryashvaihi, by the horses of the sun. Masajastatha, I don't know what is the meaning of masajaha there. Not smart enough to know the meaning. Masajastatha, some meaning is there. Saguravaha, with the gurus. Okay. Shardula Vikriditam. So this, if you see, Masajasatatagu.
Okay. So these are all the rules to create a verse.
Yes. If you want the Shardula Vikriditam meter, you have to use these rules. Then only it can be sung in the correct Shardula Vikridita methodology of toning and singing, etc.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will just not flow correctly in the mouth for that raga.
I can understand a bit. I could not understand the whole gist of it. Anyway, I will try reading again.
No problem.
Sir, this is Yamata Rajabhana Salagam.
Correct. Yamatara Bana Salagam. That is to Pingala's formula. Correct.
Yamata means Ya 0, Ma 1, Ta 1. Yagana.
Correct.
Like that. Yagana.
Yes.
Here Masajasa, that Magana we should pick out. Yamata Guru Lagu Murire Managana. Guru Lagu Modalalli Baralu Bhayagana. Guru Lagu Naduvire Jaragana. Guru Lagu Konayalli Baralu Satagana Makkum.
So that is a Kannada verse for remembering. Beautiful.
Yeah. Right.
Sir, actually,
where did you learn all this?
Pampar Kumaravyasa, somebody would have coded that, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, this Shardula Vikridam is familiar in the sense one of the epics, Gita, or one of the epics we usually hear employs this. Only things I forget the epic or poem. I think maybe Gita only it is used.
Perhaps I am not. I'm not that conversant with all the
Bhagavad Gita. Most of them are in Anushtup, but there is
Gayatri Chandas
also is part. Few of the verses are actually coded in Shardula Vikridita.
Remember it.
Gita is Anushtup and Gayatri Chandas.
Yeah, actually there is one more Chandas also. 3 are there in the Gita. That one is major are in Anushtup. I think some 600 odd are there. Then very few are in Shardula Vikridita, and then third one is there which I currently don't remember.
Saraswati Vandana in same chanda. Ya Kundendu Tusharahar Dhavla.
Correct.
Same chanda.
I think so. Correct. Ya Kundendu Dhavala. Correct. It fits there. So far it fitted. Very good, brother. That's a good indicator. Okay. So after that little bit of diversion, let us call it a day, because I think we have exceeded the time well. But it was a good thing. Rather than just look at meaning, keep moving. We have to appreciate all the qualities of what is there in these verses. So I thought we'll take a deviation. So we will come back tomorrow, go into the meaning and keep continuing. Okay. There is beautiful meaning as usual in the Subhashitas. So we'll take that joy tomorrow. So let's call it a day. So tomorrow 11 o'clock, let us gather again and keep firing. Okay. All right. Namo Namaha. Prarthanaya samaptim ghoshayami. So Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhetamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om धन्यवादः